So she might give you elephant today, but in the jungle, she will slay. Hello fellow doll lovers, Barbination here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning into another video with me today. My name is Arjen, aka Barbination, and what I do is I collect dolls, I play with dolls, I talk about dolls, and every now and then I give them a super cute makeover. So if you're into anything cute, sweet, and petite, definitely subscribe to my channel to get some lovely pastel glitters on your feed. Now let's dive a little deeper into the jungle today with the Barbie Cutie Reveal Jungle series. Here we go.
Barbie Cutie Reveal Jungle series. Wild, wild animals. It's a long hair reveal. Cuties so plush. The prizes, accessories so plush. Outside, Cutie Reveal outfits.
Barbie Cutie Reveal Jungle series dolls. With Barbie, you can beat anything.
So today we are going to look at Miss Elephant over here. Oh, I am so excited about her. Look at this queen here. Oh my gosh. So she has the elephant theming. So I'm really wondering how they're gonna put that whole like snout into this costume actually. So she has gray, teal, and pink hearts on her cheeks. Also on the doll itself, I believe.
Super cute.
I just cannot wait to get this girl out and to see what she's all about. Did any of you guys get one of these Cutie Reveal Jungle series dolls? Because I haven't seen them a lot online. So I am kind of wondering if they were hot for even just a minute. So reveal number one, the furry suit. Oh, her ears are so big, I can already see it. Okay, here we go, here we go. Super adorable. Oh my gosh, look at that big snout. So adorable. And her paws, are these called paws? I'm calling them paws. It looks like dinosaur feet. I mean, look at these. Yeah, but very cute. Oh my gosh. And the combination of this gray and teal just looks very good together. Okay, so let's see what else was inside.
Oops.
So, of course, the flyer of all of the girls. Seen it. Let's go. Oh, look at that beautiful... What is it? It is green, it is teal. I love this color. It is a skirt. I am living. Okay. And of course, the brush with a little sponge that you can use to color change her makeup features. Sunglasses. And some big chunky trainers. I think I have these in white. Yeah, because I think I first saw these on the Barbie Extra doll with the 80s Barbie logo on her little outfit. Yeah, and of course, the little pet. Oh my gosh, look at him. Look at this little elephant. How cute is that? So adorable. I realized just now that these series don't come with headbands with ears on them like the previous series had. They actually come instead of that with these sunglasses. That was really a big plus for me. That super cute headband with those animal ears on them. But I guess in this jungle series, it was kind of like hard to think of a cute headband or something. I don't know. So no cute headbands in these jungle series. So it is time for reveal number two, the face. Okay, I'm expecting some super cute teal streaks in her hair, so here we go. this face is interesting. So teal streaks in her hair, yes. Well, her face is so cute and pretty, and she has these cute little freckles. She has little hearts on her cheeks. Oh, she looks so cute. And her hair, yeah, it needs a wash. It definitely does need a wash, but it's not polypropylene hair, so that is a plus. So I think this is also saran hair. Yeah. But I mean, all in all, what a cute doll. Let's just go see how her second look looks like on her. Well, I have to say, not bad. Usually I really don't like those second looks, but in this case, I actually like the green. She has these green painted on undergarments, and not the biggest fan of these chunky sneakers, but all in all, it looks okay. It looks okay, you know? Yeah. So the inside of her jacket has this jungle leaf pattern on it. Yeah. Okay, I mean, it makes sense. It's the Jungle series, but usually I'm just not the biggest fan of these reversible vests. Only the polar bear was very cute. That one had a very nice little pattern on the inside. So first, of course, the question of the day, does she have a made to move body match? Let's see. So I think there's only, well, I don't know if there's only one match, but the only match that I had in my collection that I could find to match her with is this Made to Move beauty. She is from the second Barbie Made to Move waves.
Am I correct about that? Yes, I think I am.
This was the second wave. And this is a pretty hard girl to find these days. Well, at least in Europe. So let's head to the salon and give this Cutie Reveal elephant girl the Barbination makeover she deserves. Here we go. So, those are my looks for the Barbie Cutie Reveal Elephant Doll. I think she turned out so gorgeous. And yeah, don't mind this little razor cut here on my chin.
You know, it is tough out there in the jungle.
Her hair, yeah, it is actually really nice saran hair. Once you take off her mask, you notice that there's some sort of product in her hair. It's not really gooey or gelled, but it is, yeah, just a little bit sticky. So once you give it a good wash and a nice boil wash dip, the hair turns out to be really nice and soft. Yeah. And yeah, the looks, I thought they were so adorable. The first
Dynamite look.
I really adore those Jurassic Park fashion sets, and this one looked perfect for the occasion. And I added a little kind of like 80s sports jacket to support the whole sporty vibe, and I thought she just looked really cute in it. Actually, also a look I liked with flats. Yeah, for the Barbie Anna Jones look, I really tapped into the whole jungle vibe. So of course Indiana Jones came to mind, and I was like, I need to give her a totally Indiana Jones inspired look. And I actually used the pants from the Hudson Bay doll, and I think she was originally meant to be like a wintry ski doll, but the pants actually look perfect for this jungle safari that she went on. And yeah, I actually also added some pieces from the, I think the 80s Canada doll. Yeah. So her hat and her belt with a little pouch was from the 80s Canadian Dolls of the World Barbie doll. And oh, her denim jacket is actually from one of the first Barbie style dolls. Not the Barbie style dolls, but there was a series in 2010 around that time that was also called Barbie style. I think the difference is Barbie style and hashtag Barbie style maybe, or at Barbie style. Yeah, maybe that's the difference. It just turned out to be so fun and adventurous for her. Of course, she finds a little relic and she transforms into this jungle fashionista. Wow, I really love this look on her. And the pieces that I add to this look was actually from a older, I think 90s BMR, Barbie Millicent Roberts collection. And this was the lime something accessory pack. They did some awesome accessory packs back in the day. Actually, that whole Barbie Millicent Roberts collection is just amazing. As you can see, the pieces are really detailed. The purse even has this metal chain, the little emblem on the purse, and on the shoes. Those shoes, can we talk about those shoes? Super adorable. And that little buckle on the front of the shoe, it just gives off this totally Saint-Tropez luxury fashionista look. I love it. The little sunglasses are actually also in that pack. Yeah, so this scarf was in that set, the little belt was in that set, the purse, the shoes, and the glasses. I think she just looks amazing in this. And pairing that with the skirt that she came with in this pack, you know, the color of the skirt matches the streaks in her hair. Yeah, it completed the whole vibe for me. So I'm really happy with the way that she turned out. And I also added some bracelets actually to her ankles to give it like an extra dimension to the shoes, as if it's part of the shoe,
But really not.
So what did you think of my looks? Which look was your favorite? Are you gonna get this Cutie Reveal doll? I think this elephant is super cute. Of course, with those teal colors, she had to be in my collection. So let me know what you guys think of her, and I will see you all in a next jungle trip. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course, click the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get notified by any new videos that I upload. You can also follow me on Instagram at Barbination. That's usually where I post all of my updates. And until then, big kisses from me, and I love you all.